How to enable or disable subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and make sure your subtitle track is visible in the timeline. Now, look at the subtitles track in your timeline. You will see an option called Disable Subtitle Track next to Auto Track Selector. Clicking this will disable all subtitles on that track, and clicking it again will enable them back. This is a quick way to turn off or on all subtitles in that track without deleting anything. If you want to enable or disable individual subtitle clips within the track, you can use a simple keyboard shortcut. Just select the subtitle clip you want to change and press the D key to disable it. Press D again to enable it back. Remember, if you disable the subtitle track or individual clips, those subtitles won't appear during playback or export, but they remain saved in your project. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.